or make three description about your present community.
Limpyo, traffic, kanya, dagat kalingawan.
So second is describe or make three description about your ideal life.
Less nga mga palahubog sa daan, less hugaw, kita, kanya, accessible sa mga public transportation.
So last question is, dabay ho na ang pala mo ideal community na mo sa komunidad.
Sa karon wala pa, since agad sa na siya sa barangay na mo, itong tabang ba sila di. Pero hopefully puhon po.
First question, describe or make three description about your present community.
My true present community right now is people have no initiative and my community is very third and have respect to each other.
So second question is, what is your ideal community?
My ideal community is to take initiative to maintain cleanliness and have respect to each individual.
So last question is, kabay ho na imong ideal community is may tabo dito sa atong journey.
I firmly believe that we had a chance to change our community if people take initiative to maintain cleanliness in our community to have a better world.
Thank you. Describe or make three description